How close is Yash to your ideal man?
Oh, no, because Yash is already married and he's so much in love with his ex-wife. I would never want somebody like that. Definitely. Expectations, yeah, they do. And not only love marriages, I guess slowly and gradually, even in arranged marriage, they do, because you get to know the other person, your spouse, and then you start expecting things. And I think that is the time when, problems आने लगते हैं किसी relationship में.
How important it is for you as a woman to be in love before getting married, or you think it can equally happen after marriage?
It can equally happen after marriage, but then it also depends on individual. Like, I would first want to know the person in and out, and then would want to decide if I want to be with him or not.
And since in this particular show, there's a lot of emphasis on children also, about their bonding, because it's, along with the parents, it's their journey too. So how important is it for them to bond before marriage, to know their respective parents?
They are obviously not as, kids are not as mature as we are, so it's very difficult for them to understand. But it is very important, because children, they normally look up to their parents. So to do that, they need to know who is the father or who is the mother. So that is equally, in fact, I guess that is more important, much more important than...
Two things you like about Yash as a character?
Two things.
Okay, one thing you dislike about Yash?
He doesn't speak.
They say a celebrity, once a person is a celebrity, he or she has it all. What is it that you don't have?
I don't know.
To create a slogan for your life, what would that slogan be?
I'm like weather, always changing. I don't stay long enough to be caught. And on the contrary, I'm like a baby or a cocoon. And I think I'm still in a metamorphic stage where I'm still growing. So it won't be a slogan, but I follow these lines very strongly.
What is it you notice about the opposite sex first?
Eyes.
Given another choice to play another lead role in any other show, which would be that one role?
I've not been really following the show these days, so I don't know about it.
Okay, you've been working with Gurmeet for over 3 months now. What were your first impressions and how have they changed?
When I saw him for the first time, I thought he's got bad attitude. He's listening. But now, I think he's a very nice, cute guy, and he makes us laugh all the time on the set. बिल्कुल बच्चों जैसी हरकतें he keeps on doing, so that way it's good to work with him.
Okay, so what was your first scene and how easy or difficult was it?
We started off with no communication. The scene had no dialogues at all. We just had to be passing or crossing each other, hitting and missing. So that wasn't really difficult. But yeah, till date, whenever we have bolne wale dialogues and we have a scene like that, he doesn't let you do it because he makes you laugh at any time. I'll see you in 2 minutes then.
Alright, no problem.